2026 will see the renewal of one of the most popular B-segment cars and one of the best-selling cars in general in Europe. The arrival of the new Renault Clio, whose future generation will evolve stylistically while remaining hybrid, is approaching. To get an idea of what the new French hatchback will look like, let's take a look at our render, which is based on the first spy photos taken of the prototypes. Evolution in the sign of the Rafale. The proportions of the new Clio should not deviate too much from the current model. In terms of dimensions, the Renault could approach 4.1 meters in length and be slightly lower to improve aerodynamics and ensure greater efficiency. The front end will be completely revamped, with newly designed slim headlamps and an advanced grille featuring a diamond motif reminiscent of the Renault logo, which could be based on the Rafale grille. At the rear window will be more sloping, while the lights could be horizontal. The impression is that the company may forego these engines to comply with new emissions regulations, but we will know more in the coming months. In 1990, Renault launched its super mini B-segment car, the Renault Clio. It is a popular model of the French manufacturer, which has been produced in 5 generations so far, and soon a new generation should arrive on the market as the only Renault hatchback with an internal combustion engine. The new generation should fill the gap between the R5 and Mégane, and the hybrid option will play a major role at least until customers get used to fully electric cars. It will use an upgraded version of the existing CMF-B platform. The Ampere small platform, CMF-B EV, used by the all-electric R5 shares about 60% of components with the CMF-B platform, meaning a crossover is possible. This would mean that the hybrid and all-electric versions will have an identical design. As for the cockpit, no detailed information has yet emerged. There will be no shortage of fully digital instrumentation and an updated infotainment system based on the Android Automotive platform. As speculated in our render, we could find a panel on the Clio similar to the one found on the Austral and Rafale, with instrument cluster and infotainment side by side. Even more efficient hybrids and, likely, goodbye to diesel. The new Clio should be based on an evolved version of the current platform and should still be offered with full hybrid and mild hybrid powertrains. Especially in the former case, we expect a powertrain equipped with a more powerful electric motor to improve fuel consumption and further reduce emissions. Unlikely, however, is the adoption of 100% electric motors, which should only be destined for the 5 E-Tech. It remains to be seen whether the non-electrified petrol engines and the 101 PS diesel will be confirmed in the new generation of Renault.